Hello everyone, it's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, welcome back to my vlog. Let's eat everyone, I'm done cooking, it's dinner time, ciao ciao ciao. So, bon appetit. This is garlic fried rice with star margarine, and this is lechon kawali is done. Lechon kawali right here. Lechon kawali right here. Let's eat and God bless. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. Please like and share and subscribe. Welcome to my YouTube channel, to all my viewers, followers, subscribers, hello everyone. Shout out to you all and God bless us all and thank you for watching. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog of America. Thank you for watching. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. Kainan na, mabuhat ang lahat sa mga naroroon ng sulok ng mundo. It's 8:15 p.m. here in Maryland, USA. So, let's eat, enjoy, and bon appetit! Mangantayin apo and let's eat and kainan na, enjoy the rest of your night. Yum, yum, yum! Yummy and delicious for my tummy. Thank you and God bless everyone.